Hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell to get the latest updates from our channel Unbiased.
Today we have the Honor Band 3. So this is the box of the Honor Band 3, and first let's look at the box. It says sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, smart notification, water resistant up to 50 meters, activities plus workout, long battery life 30 days. And let's open it up. The band itself. Let's look at the other contents of the box. Warranty card, quick start guide, the charging cradle, and here the USB goes from here. This is a USB type A to type B micro USB. It's around 15 centimeter long, and you just have, and you can use any USB with this one, I think. Yes, it goes like this. Now the band at the back, the charging cradle goes here, some screws, and the heart rate monitor. Front is the band, and this is the capacitive button from where you can use this band, and there are many features. You can check your heart rate. You can also calculate the runs, swim, outdoor cycle, etc. And you have to charge it via this cradle, and if you lose this one you will not be able to charge this band, so be careful with this one. Just line it up like this, and how does it, yeah, it's now. You can actually charge it with any charger if you want, but I will charge this via a power bank. And yeah, I started charging. Hi guys, this is Ayush, and I've been using this Honor Band 3 for around 90 plus days, and here are my pros and cons for this one, and I've written it down on a paper. First, about the pros. The heart rate monitoring is very accurate on this one. The sleep tracking is also very accurate, and whenever you take a nap in the evening, it also calculates that. Now, step counting. Actually, when I bought this band, the step counting was not that accurate, but now it's very accurate after the update. Now, applications. Actually, you have to download two applications. That is the Huawei Wear application, and one is Huawei Health app. Now, you need both of them to control. But I have to say, the interface of the both application is very good. You can set alarms, you can turn on notifications for any application that is in your phone. Now there are some gestures also like this. Uh, if you just do it like this, then it just wakes up, and when you put your wrist down, it turns the screen off. This is also one more gesture. If you turn your wrist like this, it will change the things in it, like, but I have turned it off because I don't like it. Now, and Huawei said that it is water resistant up to 50 meters. Now it is mentioned that under the it is water resistant under the ISO standard 228102010. Now let's jump to the cones. Now first is the build quality. Now in the starting it was good, but now it has started coming out from this side and this. So I don't know how durable it is, but I think it will last. And then the display, it is covered by a plastic, not a glass, so it has actually got scratched easily after just 90 days. So if you get it laminated or if you get a tempered glass, you should get a tempered glass for this one because it will get scratched easily. Then another cone is about the display. Under the sunlight, it is not visible. You have to just do it like this to see what's on the display, even if you have to see the time. Now battery, it's mentioned on the box that it has a 30-day battery, but if I turn on the sleep tracking and heart rate monitoring for 24 hours, then it only lasts me around 6 days. But if I turn that off, I can get around 12 to 13 days if it's fully charged. And it also on the box it's mentioned that it only works with Android 4.4 and iOS 8 plus. And one thing to notice that they have also mentioned that it is only for a cool shower, so you shouldn't take it to a hot shower. And that's it.
Hey guys, if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to our channel Unbiased. And we are also going to compare the Honor Band 3 with the Honor Band A2. A2, is it A2?
Yes,
yeah,
it's
it's
A2.
A2. So please stay tuned and thank you for watching our video.